Hey guys, I know you, if you know me, you probably know I don't spend a lot of money, but everybody needs certain essentials in their lives, and I needed towels. And Kohl's was having this sale, you know, Kohl's, Kohl''S, they were having this sale. You bought anything for 25 bucks, you got 10 bucks off. So like, how can you beat that, right? But the bonus was that they were having a sale on bath stuff. So you had these towels on sale. Now these towels normally go for $5.99 each, and they were on sale. I think the sale price was, let's see here, for the towels the sale price was $3.99. I guess they're normally $9.99. I'm sorry. The towels, the big towels, are $9.99 normally. They were on sale for $3.99, and then you got that other discount. So, and then the washcloths were normally, they were the ones that are normally $5.99, on sale for $2.49, and then another 97 cents off. See, I like how on the receipt, Kohl's breaks down where your discount comes in for each item. If it's an, you know, if it's that $10 off 25. So I ended up getting 4 towels and 6. I think it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. What did I get here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 towels. 1, 2, 3, 4 washcloths, and it ended up being a total of $17.03. Saved 48 bucks. Pretty amazing, huh? I just want to show you these towels, what size they are, in case you're thinking about buying them. These are called the big ones. They're, I think, Kohl's brand, so they're 51 inches by 30. And the washcloths are like 12 by 12. So, or 13 by 13, about. And they're going to shrink. But the thing is, here, look, these are decent washcloths too. Like they're pretty good thickness, but they're not too thick that it's going to take all day for them to dry. I made that mistake once. I bought this one towel that was like super plush and thick and piled and everything, and it was great, but it never got dry in the dryer. So what good is that? So I got all this stuff here for, what I say, $18 and some odd cents. $17.03. Now the day before I got, I had an even better deal. I got, let's see, 2 towels, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 washcloths. But I also got some pillow covers. If you watched my video, a word on thread count, you'll see, you know, you'll see these pillow covers. Amazing. So these ended up being like 2 pillow covers for $4.49. Normally, who knows, you know, Sonoma, I think was the name of it. Anything with a brand name of it, they want to charge you 40, 50 bucks for a piece of fabric. And anyway, so really great steal, really great deals. It was unbelievable. Yeah, I walk out of Kohl's, I feel like a thief, because I'm just taking stuff. It's unbelievable. But well, this is the point. The point is when you combine things with the right sale, you can basically get them for nothing. And that's the way I like to shop, because I don't like to shop, and I don't like to spend money on stupid stuff like towels. So now I won't have to buy towels for a year, or who knows. Yeah, so that's my little like home economics lifestyle course lesson for the day. Wait for a good sale and then just crush it. So, you know, what was that, 35 bucks, and I got all that stuff. So, all right, I hope you guys want to share your shopping trip experiences with me. That'd be great. Throw it in the comments below. I love it. I love hearing success stories. If you like this video, like it so I know to make more. If you don't like it, hit don't like so I know not to make more. And in either case, please subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe to the channel, then I can make money doing these videos, do more of them for you, do them more often. Do the ones that you like, and maybe I can do it full time. So that would be pretty awesome. Hit that subscribe button for me. That's how you help me. And I hope that I helped you. That's really the whole point of doing these videos, is to help you guys maybe think about something in a different way, or reinforce what you're already doing, or just have a cheering section out there for what you're doing, because we're all in it together, and if we can help each other, that's great. So give me a buzz, give me a line. I'd love to hear from you. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.